Meaning of harrowing.
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 Harrowing. The word harrowing is often used to describe an experience that is extremely distressing or traumatic. It can refer to something that causes great emotional pain, such as the loss of a loved one or a particularly difficult life event. The result of a harrowing experience can be long-lasting and difficult to overcome, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress disorder. Some people may find solace in seeking help from therapists or support groups, while others may find comfort in spiritual or religious practices.